Here we go. The question name is celebrity problem. It is a pretty basic graph problem that does not involve any algorithm or any traversal. A celebrity is a person who is known to all but does not know anyone. So we have given urgency matrix which denotes the edge. So here 1 means we have 1 at 0 1 index, means there is a edge from 0 to 1. So 0 knows 1. So 0 is a person, 0 knows first person. So we have to find the celebrity. So celebrity person who is known to all but does not know all, does not know anyone. So in this case, 0 and second person know first person, but first person does not know anyone. So first person is the celebrity. So let's build the approach. We have this. So as you can see, this is 0 1 index. So there is a edge from 0 to 1, and this is 1 to 2 1. So there is a edge from 2 to 1. We have to only take ones. Ones means there is a edge, and it is known as adjacency matrix in graph. So we have a edge from 0 to 2. How do we find? Because this is the 0th index and this is the 1th index. So if its cell value is 1, means there is a edge from A to B. So this is I and this is J. So there is a direct edge from I to J. So which means I knows J. So for this we have to take care two arrays. One is in, which denotes how many this ins edge are there, and its coordinate is n, and second one is out. This will tell us how many outs are there. Initially its value is 0 0. So first we have n is equal to 3. So we have a edge from 0 to 1. So from A to B, from 0 to 1, means there is a edge that goes from 0, means there is a out edge. So we have to increment 0 out by 1. There is a out edge from 0, and there is a in edge on 1. So we have to increment 1 here. Next we have 2 1, means there is a out edge from 2. So we have to increment 1 here, and there is a in edge on 1. So we have to increment 1 here. There is a in edge on this. That's all about the edges. Then we have to traverse. So the question says celebrity is one whose in edges whose in edges is n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because celebrity does not know itself. So everyone else, means n minus 1 vertex knows celebrity, and out edge out of I is 0. So celebrity does not have a out edge. So its out edge must be 0. So find. So in this case, in is n is 3. So in must be 2. So find any coordinate whose in is 2 and out is 0. So this is the one. In is 2, out is 0. So we will return this index. If no celebrity found, at the end we will return -1. That's all. Let's code this. First we will take n. Then we have a vector or an array of n size. Its name is in. Another one whose name is out. Then we traverse n cross n times. Inside this we are only interested in ones. So if there is a 0, just skip this. Then we have a edge from I to J. So from A to B, so there is a outgoing edge from A. So we have to increment I and uh, out of I and in of J, because there is a incoming edge on jth vertex. So that's it. So in this, I don't think we required A and B. At the end, we have to check whether there is a celebrity present or not. So celebrity means in of I is equal to n minus 1 and out of I is 0. So we will return this vertex. If no celebrity found, we will return minus 1. We can avoid A and B. Let's submit this code and it will work fine. And we have successfully solved this question. That's it. Subscribe.